it'll take off. It gets going too. Like it'll cruise. And it hauls up to 600 pounds.
Wow. Hey guys, it's Rob at Lorobbees over here at the Cowen booth. We saw one of our ammo cans and had to come over and investigate. And I'm here with
Travis from Cowen Manufacturing. I'm in charge of their assembly department, and we came out with this little beekeeper cart for the small-time beekeeper or the upscale hobbyist. It's a fully battery-powered unit. 2 batteries that are 48 volts. So if you run out of one battery, you can switch over to the other out in the field, no problem.
oh, they're like modular.
Yep, fully modular batteries.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
And then you have your battery-operated pump. This is a 25-gallon tank for feeding your bees. You know, you can just dump your sugar straight in there and stick your hose in and just pre-mix it right in your tank.
Wow.
Comes with your feeding wand that you can just go in and, you know, fill your
Wow.
jars or
Yeah.
caps or buckets, you know, whatever type of feeder unit that you use. Has a mag strip on the side for your little tools, as well as a smoker holder up front. And then of course your guys' vaporizer up there on the handle.
That is awesome. It's just a really neat thing. So carts like these are super handy. I see very few of them these days, but the fact that it's battery powered and modular is awesome. The fact that you guys thought about us to mount us on there is awesome too, because these things are super universal. Ammo cans have been around for a while. Guys use them in a lot of different places, and they're just super practical. Now the thing I'm curious about, if that'll slide off, I don't want to snap it. Go ahead. There you go. I wonder if that will hang on here. That would be the ultimate. It will not in the way. All right, I was trying. We'll work on that.
We do want to do a deluxe version that has kind of an upper deck on it, to where you could probably stack about 4 supers on top.
Oh wow.
And we are going to make some little arms that fold out on it.
Yeah.
So you can, for sorting, you know, making your splits out in the field and everything like that.
Yeah.
I mean,
they have enough torque with the electric motors and stuff, so you might as well. That's awesome.
Yeah, once we found out it had a 600-pound rating, we're like, wow, we could do a lot.
A lot with it. That's awesome.
And it's nice enough to where, you know, everything in here is loose. The tank isn't mounted.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, you can take it out at home and use it around your yard.
I saw it had a little dump handle here.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yep. So, I mean, you can take all the tank out and everything and use it around your yard at home as well.
Multi-use, multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Very cool. Awesome. I appreciate your time. Thank you for showing us around it. Catch us in the next one.